Welcome to the brand new 2023 GMC Terrain AT4. The 2023 Terrain is powered by a 1.5 turbocharged 4-cylinder engine and made it up to a 9-speed automatic transmission. Taking a quick look at the interior of the GMC Terrain AT4, power windows, locks and mirrors, memory seating. You have your height adjustable trunk, heads-up display controls, leather-wrapped heated steering wheel with cruise control and audio controls, 14 kilometers on the odometer, brand new, push-button ignition, a nice large 8-inch touchscreen with navigation, Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, dual zone climate control as well. You have your gear selector as the button system, heated seats, lane keep assist, your 4-wheel drive system, 2-wheel drive, 4-wheel drive as well. We have the all black dash with Bose audio and our AT4 branded leather heated Terrain seating up front. Taking a quick look at the exterior of the GMC Terrain AT4, we have the 17-inch wheel and tire package, beautiful blacked out alloy wheels, and we have Goodyear Wrangler all-season tires, color matched door handles with keyless entry, AT4 badging on the door, blacked out mirror caps with an LED strip and camera system. Making our way back down the front, LED daytime running lamps, turn signals and fog lights, bright white light coming out of those headlights and fog lights, looks awesome. AT4 branded black chrome grille, parking sensors up front. Making our way back down the side, rear tinted privacy windows, remote start equipped. At the back we have our LED brake lights as well as our Terrain badging, AT4, height adjustable trunk release with a backup camera as well as your rear parking sensors on the back of your Terrain. Jumping into the interior of the AT4, we have that black leather 60/40 split. Both end seats here are car seat ready. Seats fold down nice and quick, giving you access to the nice large trunk of the Terrain. Tons of room back there as well. Seats fold up, lock you back into position. Over top, a light colored headliner with a massive dual panel sunroof system, USB ports there as well as an outlet, and we do have OEM rubberized floor liners installed. Thank you for taking the time to watch this brief walk around video on the brand new 2023 GMC Terrain. Any questions or inquiries, please contact our sales team.